everyone, Princess Allure here, and welcome to the Altean Cooking Show. So, hello humans and paladins alike, Princess Allure here. Welcome to the Altean Cooking Show. This series is basically me recreating some of the food we have eaten during our adventure in space and making some recipes inspired by the people and creatures and allies and foes we have encountered along the way. So, Pidge's birthday is coming up and Pidge loves peanut butter, so I decided I'm gonna make some special garbage friends peanut butter cookies for everybody's favorite green paladin. Are you ready? Because I am. I'm already ready to eat these cookies, but yes, vamonos, let's go. So guys, right here, somewhere here is your list of ingredients. So pause the video, do a screenshot and then go buy the ingredients. The mystery ingredient, I'm gonna tell you what it is somewhere along the line, so just stay tuned for that, okay? Yes, thank you. So in the bowl, I already have the peanut butter and the unsalted butter at room temperature. And now in this separate bowl, I added the white sugar, the brown sugar, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt. And we're just gonna do like this, and then 1, 2, 3, phew, okay? Everything in the bowl. Now you're gonna get a very fancy, mixing machine such as this one, or just use brute strength and mix everything together. Okay, so I'm mixing with one hand, which is not recommended, guys, but yeah, you get the idea. Okay, so now you got this beautiful consistency. We're gonna add the egg, and then we're gonna keep mixing. Don't you see how exceptional that egg is? Yay! Mix it all up. Now that you got that done, add the flour. Woohoo! Flour, flour, flour. Now that everything has been mixed together in the bowl, it's time to use that secret ingredient in a little part I like to call Rebel Like Matt. So Rebel Like Matt is really just a secret ingredient, or ingredients in plural, that you add to the recipe just to, be a little extra, just on the edge, just to be a rebel. Exactly, just like our beloved Matt. So, in today's recipe, the mystery ingredients, chocolate chips. That's really all it is. So I'm adding a 1/4 cup at a time until I reached the amount chocolate to peanut cookie ratio, and then I'll let you know how much that ends up being. You did it, fun! So it's been 2 hours and I took the dough out of the fridge, and now I'm just rolling it into little balls like this and putting them on the parchment paper on the cooking thingamajiggy, I forgot what it's called, and then in the oven 375 degrees for 10 minutes, and then you cool them. I already have a batch in the oven, but it's not quite ready yet, but I'll show you what it looks like when it'll be done. So while the cookies are going in and out of the oven, I'm going to be working on creating the icing. I'm not the biggest fan of royal icing, which is typically used for cookies, so I'm going to be using like a butter base. I think it's called buttermilk icing or just butter icing. I'm going to be making that, and I'll show you how I'm doing it. So in here, I have 1/2 cup of butter that I've been whipping for like the past 5 minutes, because that's what the recipe said. And my hand is getting tired, and I'm just tired of whipping butter. But anyways, I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of icing sugar to this, and then whip it, and then add a tablespoon of milk, and then whip it again, and then it should be done. So now that the icing is done, I divided it into 3 bowls. So this is gonna be blue, this is gonna be green, and no, this is gonna be white, and then this I'm gonna color it green to make the little then go ahead and ice these babies. Yeah. Okay, so let me try and do this, guys. Like, let me just try. Oh, okay. So now I'm gonna do the. Yo, this is actually so hard. What did I get myself into? Okay. Oh, so it's not so bad. Okay. And then. Okay, I got this. Now I gotta do this 3 more times. Yes, okay. Okay, so the house suddenly got really loud. I have 3 siblings plus my mom and my dad, okay, so it's a full house. But I just want to show you the little cookies when they're all done. Yay! I use the chocolate chips to make their eyes, but you can use whatever, okay? Be resourceful. Just like everybody's favorite green paladin. Yes, these are the cookies. This is what they look like when they're done. I have too many other cookies waiting for me to ice and eat them, so I'm gonna get to it. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, guys, drink your water and be the person Shiro believes you can be. Okay, over and out. Bye. It just warms my heart to see people are appreciating my cookies. Look at that. How are they? Good.